watching TV12 and I am Kripa Seth with you. Our top story today is about a major trade shock between the United States and India. The US government has officially announced that it will impose additional tariffs on Indian goods starting from August 27, 2025. This decision is expected to have serious consequences for Indian exporters, financial markets and even global trade relations. Let's take a closer look at what this means. The United States Department of Homeland Security issued an official notification confirming that the tariff rate will increase from 50% up to the current 25%. This change will come into an effect from 12:01 am Eastern Time on August 27. Goods entering the US after the deadline will attract the higher duties. However, there are a few exceptions. Products already in transit before the deadline or those cleared from warehouses before September 17 will not face the higher tariff. The tariffs will affect a wide range of Indian exports such as textiles, leathers, gems and jewelry, machinery, furniture and marine products. But certain products like pharmaceuticals, electronics, automobiles and metals like steel and aluminium have been given exceptions for now. This partial relief may help the cushion blow, but a large portion of Indian trade is still at risk. Economically, the impact has already begun to show. The Indian rupee slipped to near record lows, trading around 87.8 per dollar as markets reacted nervously to the news. The stock market also saw a dip, with indices like the Sensex and Nifty falling as investors worried about the future of exports. Experts say almost 66% of India's exports to the US, putting at risk nearly $60 and $80 billion worth of trade. For exporters, this could mean a 20 to 30% decline in shipments in the upcoming months as Indian goods become more expensive in the US market. Analysts also warn that countries like China and Vietnam may benefit from this situation as their products could replace India's in the American market. On the political side, the Indian government has expressed strong concern. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has assured that India will protect its farmers, small businesses and industries. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar also questioned why India was being singled out, while other countries importing Russian oil have not faced similar penalties. Negotiations with Washington are still ongoing, but New Delhi has drawn red lines to safeguard its domestic producers. This trade dispute is a part of larger diplomatic tension between the two nations. President Trump invoked national security reasons, pointing to India's continued purchases of Indian oil as a justification for the tariffs. Experts believe this could become one of the most serious India-US trade and diplomatic crises in decades, possibly affecting cooperation in defense, technology and even the Indo-Pacific strategy. So, as the clock ticks down to August 27, businesses, exporters and markets in India are bracing for a major impact. The coming weeks will be crucial to see if diplomatic talks can ease the pressure or if India's exports will face a long and difficult road ahead. One thing is clear, this tariff hike is just not an economic challenge, but also a test of the strategic relationship between New Delhi and Washington. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching TV12.